asked me recently, what is Sud-Share? Sud-Share is a laundry delivery service, which you see down below. About 2 years ago, the name was changed over to Poplin. In a few minutes, you will see a couple of snippets of me picking up and delivering a Poplin/Sud-Share order. Good morning, guys. I'm on my way to do another Poplin order, but this camera's falling. So let's get started. I'm gonna stop and pick up my mail before I get the laundry. So we're on our way. The other bags that I picked up. So let's get started and wash. Laundry all completed, folded, dried, and tied in bows. On out. Excuse me. On my way to drop the laundry off now.